And switching to breaking updates that are just coming in, this is in relation to the probe in the Delhi blast case. Srinagar police have detained a youth from Qazi Gund. Sources say that the investigation has revealed that he was radicalized and groomed as a potential attacker by Dr. Umar Nabi, the bomber. Sources even said that the youth met members of terror module at a mosque in Kulgam, and that is in the month of October 2023. He was later taken to a rented house near Al Falah University in Faridabad, where Dr. Umar Nabi, an assistant professor at the university, intensively brainwashed him over several months. The plot collapsed in April 2025 when the youth backed out. In fact, we have Idris who's getting us his breaking. Idris, give us more details about this terror plot, the details that have now surfaced.
Well, yes, Jammu and Kashmir police has made multiple arrests in the last 1 week across the Kashmir Valley, especially from southern part of Kashmir. We've been told that one individual was picked up by Jammu and Kashmir police just a few days ago from Qazi Gund area of Anantnag district, wherein after his interrogation, he has revealed that he was brainwashed by Dr. Umar Nabi, who was the person responsible for carrying out that Red Fort blast. According to this individual, he met with Dr. Umar Nabi in 2023 October in South Kashmir's Kulgam district in one of the mosques, and later on he was also taken to Faridabad where they tried to brainwash him, but the whole plan fell flat when this individual completely refused to be a part of it, as he said that he comes from a very poor family and also refused to be an attacker, as he said it's against the principles of Islam. On the other hand, we also know that he is with Jammu and Kashmir police and he could lead them to more arrests in the coming few days, although he himself had backed out of the complete plan that the network was working on, which included Dr. Umar, Dr. Adil Rathar and Dr. Muzammil, from whose possession we also know that all the explosive that was recovered from Faridabad was in a rented accommodation which was hired by Dr. Muzammil from South Kashmir's Pulwama district. So we've seen the investigation intensifying on the ground. We've seen how Jammu and Kashmir police wants to dismantle the whole terror network across the Kashmir division, making sure that wherever there is a link, they're going to investigate it, because as we all know that this all started with a poster gang which was active in Srinagar's outskirts in Nogam area, wherein 3 individuals were picked up, and after that the revelation of this Faridabad terror module was busted as security forces arrested the first doctor, who was Dr. Adil Rathar, and now security forces making sure that the whole of Kashmir is sanitized completely, and that's the reason they are picking up people who have been in contact or in touch with any of these doctors who have been directly involved into the hoarding of the explosives at Haryana and UP.
All right, Idris, thank you for the moment. We will keep coming back to you for more updates and developments.